What's up everyone? Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going over a trade that I took yesterday. Um, I didn't hold the trade all the way through, so I didn't really make anything on this trade. So I just want to go over it. I know what I did wrong. It wasn't anything like pertaining to trading the markets or anything like that. Personally, I was just busy, so I didn't want to hold this trade, and then anything could happen, right? So I was in this trade. I saw that the market it was basically in a downtrend. Let me go on the 15, see if I can find. Yeah, so it was in a downtrend, and it went all the way up here, tapped into this supply area, came back, broke the previous low, I'd say. Then we got the break right here. I would say like a break of structure right here. Then we got the retest, right? I saw this, I entered right away. Now, while holding this trade, I got busy, right? So I held the trade. I was in it like all the way here. Then it came all the way back up here. Like it was gonna go to my entry. So I was basically in the trade until it came right here. Up, I don't know. So all the way up here, maybe, right? As soon as I came out of the market, I thought it was like, I did something good because I saw this candle, push all the way up here. I'm like, okay, you know what? It's a loss, whatever. It is what it is. But little did I know that the market was gonna push past my TP and go all the way down here, man. Look, it was a decent trade, but what happened after this trade, right? This is what I want to talk about. Revenge trading. I saw this move. It played out in my direction at first, and that's cool. I like that, but I didn't make any money from the trade, right? So later on, when I was done doing what I was doing, whatever, I came back on the track. Was it a good idea? No, because I still lost money on this trade again, right? So when I came back in the market, I saw it came down here, went back up, came back down, made a double bottom, right? Now, me seeing that, first thing I should have done is put my emotions aside. I know that I was looking for sales in the earlier part of the morning. Now I should be just following the market, trade what I see and not what I feel, right? So it made a double bottom. It went back up here, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna sell, right? I didn't have any valid reason to sell the market at this area right here. Then it, it went the opposite way, right? I lost some money right there. Then I saw it came all the way back up here, and then I'm like, okay, this is the right time. I entered right here again, hold it. I was in profit all the way down here. I didn't close it. I move my stop to break even. Then market went back, took me out at break even, right? So I'm like, okay, I'm done. I'm not trading for the day. I watched the market. I'm like, it made the double bottom, the the big move, the impulsive move that it made. It actually tapped into a zone, right? That's the area that I had marked out. Let me see if I can find it on my next chart here. Yeah. So that move actually went all the way down here in areas that I already had marked out, right? So I'm like, bro, what are you doing? Like you have the chart right in front of you. It's marked out. You have all the areas. The market is reacting to the areas that I have marked out. So like, why am I trading in the wrong direction, right? And it doesn't have anything to do with my with my markups or anything with the chart. It doesn't have nothing to do with the chart. It has everything to do with me, right? Because I am not paying attention to what the market is trying to tell me. I'm trading with my emotions, right? So yeah, that's what I'm like. That's what I'm trying to get across. Like, if you're gonna trade forex or any market at all, forex, crypto, futures, anything, take emotions out of it and trade what you see and not what you think. Okay, so that's it for today's video, and it was a decent trade. I regret not holding it, but it is what it is. We can always catch another trade, right? So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.